Well, guys, we're back out here with some hot water here. I just got this. Oh, that's hot. I got this gasket set soaking in the hot water to see if we can maybe get it to expand some. And I found here's actually that glass bowl that mounts up. See, it needs a gasket in there. Focus. There we go. Gasket in there. That goes there. Then this piece here mounts up. If I can get it. Come on. We can get her straight on there. It mounts up there, but it's loose there, so it leaks around there. It mounts up like that. Then this just screws into the bottom of the gas tank, and you got your valve here to open it up and close it. And it's been soaking for a little bit here. We got some expandability out of it. Yeah, that's not gonna work. Where is it now? Oh, that's all right there. Come on. We're gonna take the carb apart. Then it's easier to get to. And alright, that's all my toolbox. Back here, leaves. I am thought it wouldn't work. I could probably rob the carb assembly off that. I'm just talking to myself here, guys. Don't mind me. All neighbors are home. There we go. Get that one out. Well, two. So we got that. Where'd that gas? Where'd I put that gasket? Well, anyways, we're gonna. I guess we'll go. I'll grab these sockets here. Alright, well, we'll go look at some other. I doubt that one. We're gonna look at these here. Yeah, that's gasket maker in there. I don't think this one would work. No, that one won't work. I might. There he goes. There he goes. What's the name? 5-Star Dairy. They have been putting up the milk line and the pipeline up at work because all that stuff was gutted when my boss bought the farm. So that all needed to be reinstalled. We're getting 60 cows October 5th. That would be I'd have to think what day that is, if that's Monday or Tuesday. I see if it's during the week. If it's not during the weekend, I could probably record. But we'll see here what maybe we could pull off this John Deere loader here. I know. Yeah, that's gonna be set up the same way. I got two junk 4-wheelers here. One ain't even got spark to it. I got a lot of stuff that needs work to it. But so we can move these there. Yeah, I don't think that would work either. Other carburetors. What else is carbureted around here? We ain't really got much else for lawnmowers around here. We got a 3-wheeler. Ain't no carb on it. That'd be downdraft carb anyways, I think. You know, gotta remember all that old setup. I think. Unless that's smaller, there's a possibility that we could have we're back here by the sled now. Since I didn't show you guys the full Olympic in the one video, here it is. See that one right here. That one. That one. The first one, not the second one, that's facing that way. But we'll see if we can look at the Olympic here. So no, this is still got the carb setting on. I had a windshield before it. Oh, it's somewhere. Oh, the mice have been in here. That's just great. That's also. Yeah, the mice have definitely been in that one. Open this one here out. Trying to think of how that whole fuel system is set up on my Nordic. Yeah, these damn weeds. Especially these wild cucumbers here. Come on. There we go. I gotta remember all this. Yeah, that's smaller. That just screws into there. So that's the whole carb set up there on my Nordic. Yeah, no weeds are really taking over. Anyways, on the next video of me jacking this hay vine up here, then the baler, see that's on a block, and then we got this hay rake here. It's